Welcome to OMC Ford Accrington, and we have here a Ford Puma 1 litre EcoBoost 125 brake horsepower mild hybrid. As you can see, finished off in race red. That contrasts really nicely with the silver and black alloy wheels, the slight black trim at the bottom there, and we've got rear privacy glass on this car as well. You can see from the back that it's got the LED rear lights, and we've got the Puma badge set off in black there on the boot. Moving into the boot, we have one of the features of it, which is a split level boot, and also what we call the Ford Mega Box, which is a great big space under that boot mat there, where you can put a lot of things. You can clean things off in it because there's a plug, and if you get any water in it, it will just run out, and it's all sealed plastic, and it's waterproof in there as well. So very flexible in the back. As you can see, we've got split seats there, 60/40, and just moving back a little bit, we've got the rear blind, which is instead of the parcel shelf, which does create a lot more room, and you can't actually see into the back of it as well. So moving on to the inside of the car, as you can see, we've got our electric windows front and rear, we've got the electric mirrors, and we've got our internal central locking buttons there. Just moving on to the dial there, that's for the auto lights, so they come on when it goes dark. We've then got our steering wheel controls, which that controls the menu system in the middle of the dials, and we've got the voice activation button and the answer and end button for the phone calls, and also forward and reverse for changing radio stations or skipping tracks on anything that you might be playing at the time. Moving across just to this one, this is our cruise control button. So we've got cruise control there, the setting feature, and we've also got the volume keys as well there. Moving on to the dash in the middle, this is the digital dash, which just sort of sets everything off. You can control it. It's got different drive modes, this car. So this one's based on normal. If we switch it through onto eco, means that you'll get better fuel consumption, and it just changes the look of the interior dials there as well. Again, flick it through onto sport. It makes the engine rev a lot harder, and it again gives different look to the dials. Absolutely superb looking. We've also got slippery mode. Again, so what this one does is change the power that's going through the wheels, so that the wheels aren't going to spin when it is slippery. Moving across onto the trail mode again, for different driving conditions, different characteristics of the car, and also onto the last back onto normal there, where the car will behave as it normally does. Just moving across onto there, we've got the 8-inch sat nav screen, where you can obviously pair your phone up to it. There's loads of different radio stations that you can put DAB, FM, and AM onto it as well. We've got air conditioning, and we've got the heated front windscreen, but also a little bit further down, don't know whether you can just see it in there, it's a wireless charging pad for mobile phones. So if your phone has got that capability, it will actually charge it up. Feature of this car as well, with it being an ST line, is it's leather flat bottom steering wheel with the red stitching on the inside as well, just to give it a bit of a sporty look. Also the red stitching on the fabric around the doors as well, and just onto the seats, as well, red stitching round there, just gives it a really nice sporty look to it, contrasting really nice with the exterior colour. So if you're interested in this car, please give us a call on 01254 380 710.